show. The kitty in the middle. So I'm taking this chocolate chip cookie dough, making a little shape like this, like ovally. Walk this way! Walk this way! Walk this way! Putting a little mini pretzel. And then guess what? Peeps! I cannot believe all the different colored peeps. It's like an explosion of a rainbow. Oval shape of our cookie dough, and we top it with a similar piece of cookie dough. It seems a little, I'm kind of freaked out because I feel like I'm suffocating the peep. It's like I'm gonna kill it. God forgive me. Okay, I've done it, folks. I knew there's a reason I've been called to do this. So then I just followed up.
Ew, you put it in and it's like in it? Ew.
Top this way. So there it is. We'll see what happens in just a few moments. We'll be back later, folks.